Still don't have LinkedIn profile? Girl, paano ka makikita ng mga client doon kung wala kang digital ID? Today, I will show you step by step how to create or update and optimize your LinkedIn profile that actually gets noticed kahit beginner ka pa lang. Hey, I'm Mary. I'm freelance and virtual assistant mentor helping aspiring VAs and MSMEs grow online. In this video, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-build ng LinkedIn profile from scratch. From your photo down to your skill section para ready ka na mag-apply sa clients confidently. Step number 1, let's take a look at your profile and banner. This is what we refer to as prime real estate. Kasi this is the first thing na makikita ng mga pupunta sa profile mo. So make sure na yung picture mo malinaw, may good lighting, and nakasmile. Of course, a lot of us would want to look good. You can add filter. However, wag naman yung parang naburan na yung pagkatao mo, ang naiwan na lang yung filter. Wag din naman yung parang clean up mo lang sa group picture ha. Next, let's talk about the banner. Ito yung nasa likod ng profile photo mo. So, you can use Canva. Just type in LinkedIn banner. And hindi nyo na kailangang ilagay doon yung email address ninyo because there's a special section there inside LinkedIn kung saan pwede mong ilagay yung email mo. Na ang nakakaalam is obviously yung marunong din gumamit ng LinkedIn. Ayaw naman natin na ibabalandra natin yung information natin kung saan, tapos kung sino-sino na lang yung makakakuha kahit hindi naman sila yung target client mo. I also highly recommend na dito mo ilagay yung unique value proposition mo, which we already discussed sa previous video. You can also put something as simple as virtual assistant helping businesses grow online. Now, step 2, let's talk about the headline. Your headline isn't just your job title. Instead of just saying virtual assistant, make it something more specific. Like for example, general virtual assistant, social media manager for small businesses. Parang tagline mo yan, dapat klaro agad kung ano yung ino-offer mo na service. The next part is the about section. Dito ka magkukwento, you can use 3 to 4 paragraphs. Sino ka? Ano yung ginagawa mo? Ano yung skills mo or services na ino-offer mo? Ano yung gusto mong ma-achieve o clients na gusto mong matulungan? As an example, you can say, I am a Filipino virtual assistant who helps entrepreneurs stay organized and grow online. I specialize in administrative support and social media management. I love helping business owners save time so they can focus on what they do best. Mga ganun lang, casual, confident, and clear. Step number 4, experience section. Kahit wala ka pang client, lagyan mo pa rin ng experience. Halimbawa, nag-training ka, internship, volunteer work. You can even use admin intern, assisted in scheduling, email management, and basic data management or data entry. What matters is you'd be able to showcase na at one point you have experience service na ino-offer mo. But just to be clear, never fake an experience. Because at the end of the day, ikaw pa rin ang mahihirapan yan kapag sinabi mong may experience ka kahit wala naman. Step number 5, skills and endorsement. Mag-add ka at least 10 relevant skills like data entry, Canva, social media management, customer support. Mas maraming skills, mas searchable ka sa LinkedIn. Step number 6, featured section. And this is optional but powerful. Kung may sample work ka, ilagay mo dito. Pwedeng link to Google Drive, portfolio, or Canva samples. Think of it as a mini portfolio inside LinkedIn. Step number 7, connect and engage. Don't just create your profile and leave it. A lot of people do that because they think, may LinkedIn na ako, pwede na to. No. Connect with other freelancers. Comment on posts, connect with your target audience, and share something helpful once a week. The more active you are, the more people see your profile. Now, here is your bonus step. If you are one of our mentees and you are taking this from our application book session, I want you to go back to your application book folder, print your most updated experience list to PDF, upload it to Canva, and use this prompt. This will create a full LinkedIn profile guide for you based on your own experience, and it will pull from the experience list that you have. It will also provide keywords that help you stand out para mas madali kang makita ng mga clients. Side note, I really feel that it is helpful for people to learn how to do SEO, AEO, and GEO kasi lahat halos ng platforms pwede mong pag-aralan kung paano mo ma-optimize. I saw this video of I believe he is an aspiring virtual assistant, and he was very intent in saying that tenure virtual assistants are gatekeeping this information. Ang sabi niya, ang sikreto daw is headline and keywords, but he didn't say doon sa mismong video na yun. I think he's creating a part 2, I'm not sure. He didn't say how to do it. Let me answer that in this video. Number one, hindi nag-gatekeep ang mga tenured virtual assistants. I think I belong to that group since I've been working from home for almost 17 years now. The problem is, paulit-ulit yung question na sinasagot namin ng paulit-ulit but not many people are actually willing to take action. My challenge to you is this. Dito, sa video na to, you learned how to optimize, add keywords, and pretty much create a LinkedIn profile from scratch. Once you're done creating your profile, go ahead and connect with me sa LinkedIn. Mag-comment ka na lang sa most recent post ko doon ng client-ready virtual assistant. And kapag ka nakaangat-angat na kami sa pagkakalubog sa dami ng messages namin sa other social media platforms, titingnan din namin yung LinkedIn ko and we will send you a free guide on how to get started and become client-ready. Now, question, anong part ng LinkedIn profile creation or optimization ang pinakang feeling mo mahirap? Is it the photo section, about section, or experience? I-comment mo lang dito sa video na to and I'll try to come up with another video that would help provide a little more clarity sa kung paano nga bang ginagamit ang LinkedIn. And if you want more step-by-step videos like this, huwag nyo kalimutang mag-subscribe. Hit that bell button because every single day halos meron tayong mga bagong free tutorial. That's it. You now have a LinkedIn profile that's client ready. Next video will have a little bit of how to create a portfolio that gets you hired. Ilalagay ko na lang siguro sa description box kapag natapos ko na, ililink ko somewhere here, or if not, again, I will just post it sa aking social media accounts. So don't forget to follow. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home and follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!